धमाल और मेरे साथ यहाँ पर तीन बहुत fabulous actors हैं और like I can't contain my excitement and the fact is कि मैं अगर एक second और लेती हूँ, I'm wasting your time to introduce you to the people who actually just don't need any introduction. And right here are the two superstars, if you will allow me. I'm going to take a minute to just...
They are legends, they are iconic, they are super duper stars.
This is an inside joke by the way that he's just cracking right now.
No, it's
I hope कि हम लोग जैसे जैसे इंटरव्यू में आगे बढ़ते रहे ऐसे बहुत सारे inside jokes हमें पता चल रहे हैं. But the fact is that you guys did your first hit movie together the year I was born. And it was like 30 years ago. And that is how long you guys have been superstars and sizzling the screen for. Like ये शायद humanly possible nahi hai to explain the excitement that I have that of course Anil that you're here. Sir, I am very, very excited that you're here, not taking away that and equally excited that you're here. And Ritesh, you have been somebody.
I'm so excited that these guys are here.
Join the gang.
Yes.
Join the gang. So the fact is that Dhamal is yours, right? This is ultimately the third total Dhamal. And you have to tell us कि भाई तीसरी वाली धमाल में what is this total Dhamal thing that you're doing?
No, I think धमाल franchise जब शुरू हुई थी तो हमें पता नहीं था कि लोगों को इतनी पसंद आएगी, बच्चे बहुत सराहेंगे. इवेंचुअली फिर पार्ट 2 हुई और जब पार्ट 3 बनाने का मौका मिला when इंदु जी अप्रोच तो उसे बड़ा कैसे बनाए. तो बड़ा तभी बन सकता है जब और बड़े बेहतर एक्टर्स आए एंड यू हैव द iconic superstars with us, Anil ji, Madhuri ji and Ajay of course. So it's wonderful just teaming up with them and I'm so glad कि मुझे इन दोनों के साथ काम करने का 15 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. I have worked with many of my favorites, but thankfully इस फिल्म में दोनों के साथ एक फिल्म में काम करने का मौका मिला. So I'm really excited about this film.
I saw your excitement and I can totally feel that. But let's talk about you two. You know, आप दोनों इतनी सालों से, like I said, 30 years you work together. कम से कम 15 मूवी आप लोगों ने साथ में की है. But do you guys still remember that first day जब आपने एक दूसरे को सेट पर देखा था? What was that first thought जो आपका अनिल के लिए था या अनिल सर आपका माधुरी जी के लिए था?
माधुरी जी मैं आपसे सुनना चाहूँगा. आपका क्या thought था? अब तक मुझे पता नहीं.
Let's hear it out.
We shot together. हिफाजत. उससे पहले हम ऐसे ही briefly मिले थे. Just once, like just passingly.
हमने गाना किया था उसमें. गाना क्या वो फिल्म बनी नहीं. बजरंगी.
हाँ बजरंगी. उससे पहले you had seen me doing Karma and I'd seen them. I'd seen Jackie Shroff for the first time when I was doing Karma and him. और दोनों ही like you know scruffy beards and big hair and I was like oh my god this is Anil Kapoor. And then Jackie came, you know, when I was rehearsing, and I got to see him. और फिर बाद में मैंने shooting की उसके बाद फिर कुछ हम मिले ही नहीं उसके बाद फिर. Then cut to we were doing this song for Bajrangi, and it was a rain song, and I always felt that whenever he looks in the mirror, he looks at him yourself very peculiarly. He'll go there. He'll do that. He'll do that. And
this hair, this hair.
Oh yeah. And then hair, and he used to look at his face at a particular angle, and I always used to wonder why does he do that. So that was my first thinking about Anil.
उसका जवाब मिला over the years?
Yeah.
What was your first reaction?
You see, my first reaction was I think उस वक्त जब you know I saw the pictures, photographs taken by the late J.B. Singhal. And those pictures, I just, you know, when we saw the pictures, and I was just completely taken aback. I said, who's this? Absolutely beautiful. Lovely eyes, what a smile, and there's something which is, you know, something really special. And she reminded me of all the yesteryear beautiful actresses, you know, like...
I would so agree.
And then especially Madhubala, you know, her smile. So that really remained, you know, and there, and then... That's what.
Over the years, ऐसी कौन सी एक चीज है that you picked up from a co-actor and you said कि हाँ यार for grooming या for being an actor ये चीज मुझे याद रहेगी and this is what I've taken away from this actor.
I think one thing I've learned from Anil ji is that he's always striving to do his best, and that every take he does something different. You know, and first I used to think that this is the ideal way to do this scene or say this line. But there's no ideal way to say it. That's what I realized when I worked with him, that there's so many different ways you can approach the same line. And I think I tried that too, and it worked. So I think that's one thing I've learned from Apu.
Anybody can remember one more thing?
One more thing.
Yeah.
There's an interesting thing that I learned. I have worked with Akshay Kumar over the last 15 years, many films, almost five films that I've done with him, 5 to 6 films. So, you know, when you're given a scene, you concentrate on what lines I'm supposed to say, what's the emotion. ये सब तो चलता रहता है, सब लोग करते हैं, we do it. But what he does is, he will come on a set, he'll figure out what's happening. And many times we don't bother about the passing. Suppose one guy is passing from here, picking up something and going. He'll always figure out what can I do with that person to add to the humor. So if it's going to add to that person and to the humor, then he will definitely engage with that passing along with the scene. So that's very funny. I remember when we were shooting a scene for Hey Baby, he was supposed to take some prasad to meet Vidya, and he was conning Vidya. So first take he took a prasad to Vidya, and then he realized that there was this kid who was passing by. He told that kid, "तू ये लड्डू खाते हुए चला जा." Action. और director को नहीं बोला action. तो बच्चा रहता है क्या लड्डू लेगा, and then he took that. So I'm just saying that just trying to engage your surrounding within your scene was something very interesting to learn from an actor.
Interesting. It's very interesting. So anything that happened with you?
Obviously, I've been very fortunate that I've worked with.
Right.
You know, I did 3 films with Dilip Kumar Sahni, and he had a habit of when he would come on the set, he would write the lines, and I think that I've taken from him. So whenever I get a scene, I try to write it, same scene. So when I write it, it helps me memorize the lines and to start thinking about the lines more and more. You know, so because you have written it yourself. So you take those lines, and if you have improvised it, or if you want some change, then you sit down and write it. So I do that. So I constantly keep on writing whatever scenes I do, write it myself. Same scene, I don't write the scenes like some actors do.
That was a cool dig.
Yeah, cool one, right?
धमाल सिर्फ सेट पर नहीं हो रहा है, धमाल सिर्फ सीन्स में नहीं हो रहा है, उससे भी ज़्यादा धमाल I feel like गानों में हो रहा है. We've heard पैसा पैसा which has been recreated, and that looks like one big party. You have to tell me the experience of shooting that song, and if there has been any other song जो आपका favorite बन चुका है from the movie.
So we were rehearsing this song, and obviously, you know, when you have so many actors, everyone comes at one point and starts rehearsing. स्टेप क्या है, बता स्टेप क्या है. एंड कोरियोग्राफर्स के 5 असिस्टेंट हैं, सब लोग एक एक्टर को ढूंढ के बैठे कि इसको ये सिखाओ, तू रितेश को सिखाएगा, माधुरी जी को सिखाओ, अनिल जी को सिखाओ. So all this is happening, and so I came in. By the time I entered, Arshad and Javed had already, and they both are choreographers and exceptional dancers themselves. So they figured out what they had to do. I came in and I figured out, okay, this is what I have to do. And then suddenly everyone went, Madhuri ji has come, Madhuri ji, and she came and she said, what are the steps? She just looked at once and she knew exactly what she was supposed to do. She did a couple of rehearsals and the expressions are, everyone knows how they are. And then, then Ajay came. And Ajay came and he started walking in. क्या करना क्या है? तो उसने नहीं सर, एक स्टेप है, पैसा, ये पैसा शोल्डर ऊपर उठाना, पैसा, और ये पैर ऐसे स्लाइड करना, पैसा, ये पैसा, मैं शोल्डर नहीं करूँगा. तो कोरियोग्राफर बोला, आप शोल्डर नहीं करेंगे? मैं शोल्डर नहीं करूँगा, मेरे शोल्डर में दर्द है. तो नो प्रॉब्लम सर, सिर्फ बिना शोल्डर कीजिए, पैसा, ये पैसा, मैं 2 हाथ से नहीं करूँगा. तो जो पूरा स्टेप हम लोग रिहर्स कर रहे थे वो डिकंस्ट्रक्ट हो रहा है, मैं 2 हाथ से नहीं करूँगा. नो प्रॉब्लम सर, अब 1 हाथ से करिए, ओके, और फिर पैर का क्या है, वो ऐसे स्लाइड करना है, मैं ऐसे नहीं चलता. हम लोग 2 घंटे स्टेप सीख रहे हैं. अजय का कि मैं ये करो, वो करो, अच्छा, ओके, फाइन. तो सर आप एक ही हाथ से कीजिए, ओके. एंड देन अनिल सर कम्स, मैं वाट लगा, सबकी वाट लगा, क्या स्टेप क्या है, देखता हूँ, सबकी वाट लगा, स्टेप क्या, ये स्टेप है, वाट लग गई, मेरी वाट लगी. And now the song starts. The first song starts with Javed, Arshad and me are going, पैसा, ये पैसा है, पैसा, and Madhuri ji comes fully explained, पैसा, ये पैसा. And now Ajay comes, पैसा, ये पैसा है, पैसा. And cut to Anil sir has come with 10 times, पैसा that is पैसा every and after this इंदु जो तो मैं ये क्या हो रहा है सब लोग ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं तो कोरियोग्राफर से नहीं सर मैंने कोरियोग्राफी चेंज करी दिस इज लुकिंग ग्रेट
बेस्ट मजा जब आता था जब हर्षो और जावेद साहब भूल जाते थे क्योंकि they were supposed to be the choreographers and the great dancers and all हर्षो का भी मूवमेंट ऊपर नहीं जाता
ये क्या
Let's move on to the next segment, which is called the Zoom Weekender Statement. And यहाँ पर we are going to decode your personal fashion statement. Starting with you, Malgri ji. Tell us about this one outfit आपकी अपनी खुद की movie से that you absolutely love even after so many years.
I think all my costumes in Dil To Pagal Hai because they were very simple. They were just chiffon.
Those chicken ki suits.
Yes, the chicken ki suits. Even the just the chiffon salwar kameezes, which were like really beautiful.
Tell us about this one outfit that you're superstitious about.
I have a trouser of Jackie Schroff, which
You have his trouser.
His trouser, and obviously, and that trouser was really lucky for me. And the film, I wore it for Virasat.
You got into Jagu Dada's pants.
So, I said, वो जब भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि चलो अभी हिट देते हो पैंट पहन लेता ट्राउजर पहन लेता हूँ तो obviously then I tease him also वापस कर मेरी ट्राउजर मैंने बोला वो कभी नहीं देने वाला तेरे को अच्छा मैं कितनी बार वो देखता पड़ी है वैसी की वैसी पड़ी है still there शायद वापस दे दूँ but I think I would give it to him.
Really? No, I think you should keep it.
I should keep it.
You should keep it.
Keep the lucky trouser.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, similarly, I was playing a match, and our great Indian captain Mohammad Azharuddin get called us to Hyderabad, and I didn't have my cricket trousers, so he gave me his trouser in which he had scored a century, and I still have that trouser.
Oh great.
Wow.
We
He
have
never
great
wanted
trousers.
it back.
No, I didn't give it.
Same here.
As simple as that.
Jackie जब मिलते हैं मेरी पैंट ऑफिस में
Obviously, I agree. All right, this was great, but then we are going to move to something which is greater. This is the game जहाँ पर आप जीत सकते हैं GoPro. It's called the GoPro Challenge, where you actually win a GoPro hamper. All right, so GoPro hamper यहाँ पर है. The game is very easy, लेकिन इससे पहले we get to the main challenge. I want to warm you guys up, and you've done this enough number of times, so I want to give you two also a fair chance to understand कि होने क्या वाला है.
जी.
Simple question: you're a beach or a mountain person?
Beach.
Beach.
Mountain.
Interesting. Tell me, what do you prefer जब आप holiday पर होते हो?
जी.
To walk around or to take a cab and just get to the location?
Depending where I am, if I'm in a city, I love to walk.
You love to walk.
Yes.
Walk around.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
Both.
कार से पहुंच जाऊँ जल्दी तो वहाँ
हाँ, जो भी है।
चल लेंगे. Fantastic. So here's the main challenge now. Are you three ready?
Yes.
The one person who raises their hand first and tells me the most crazy, most interesting, most adventure travel story wins the GoPro. In 1, 2, 3, 4. All right.
This was Alaska. I was shooting a song.
Huh.
We had to go to Anchorage, so we had to, just it was a never-ending flight.
Huh.
Changing bus तो change करते हुए मैंने बहुत किए अपने बचपन में 4 बस बदलता था. We were changing so many aircrafts, and from one city to the other, and then we landed in Anchorage. Anchorage में पहुंचे हम लोग. फिर उसके बाद हमको गाना करना था ग्लेशियर्स पे. तो ग्लेशियर्स पे हम लोग मैं कम से कम कितने दिन गए हम लोग?
Oh God! पहले तो 3-4 दिन गए नहीं. Because the fog used to come in, we used to be sitting at the base camp.
Base camp, and then.
Is this the same place where you were?
Yeah, we did the song. Yeah.
Blue sari,
And then it came to a stage where everybody said, "यार ये shooting cancel करो, scrap करो. We're never going to reach there. We're never going to reach there. 10 दिन, 5 दिन. Chopper would just. The chopper, pilot would say that I can't. It's impossible.
Right.
And after when we were actually, there was like a kind of a जैसे war में होता ना, what do you call mutiny? There was a mutiny, complete mutiny in the unit. Then let's go back. This is absolutely criminal waste of time, money, effort. And कहाँ आ गए हम लोग यहाँ? Alaska में shooting करने के लिए, And ultimately, then we
The very next date cleared. So the chopper would take
after
off.
how many days, and the chopper and the entire flight and the chopper was absolutely. You've seen in these games.
Crazy.
Yeah.
You see in the games where the chopper goes absolutely like this, and it was one of the deadliest, routes and rides I've ever done in anything ever. But it's so scary.
And you both were together.
Yeah, obviously there was one chopper which would, take us and.
Remember, we used to sit in that valley waiting for the chopper. We used to sit in a valley, and there were like these brown and black like bears around. So they used to smell the food because we had set up camp there, and we could see them on the mountains, trying to come down, and we were like, oh my God, do we have anyone here who can protect us from
I
that?
can imagine that was scary.
Yeah, it was very scary, very scary.
I've never seen such snow. They were all different colors.
Oh,
there
beautiful.
was blue,
But
there
once
was
you go
sometimes
on the
orange.
glacier, it's something
You know,
else.
I say,
The
ये
whole
orange
feeling.
snow कैसे हो गया? ये blue snow कैसे हो गया? And the reflection on the water. It was like actually, if you say heaven on earth, that is those glaciers and those that's Anchorage and it is Alaska.
Wow. Do you even want to compete now?
No, why should I? So
Do you want to like already
The
give
story
up?
takes it.
Yeah. This story is amazing.
So this is for you. Like you have this is totally yours.
Just give it to me just because I just said it, or generally you mean it? Yeah.
Of course,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
genuinely
it was
mean.
wonderful.
Good story.
You're really
Great story.
questioning my intentions.
Thank you so much.
The last segment of the show, which is where कोई और भी जीत सकता है, and they will win a Zoom Myntra hamper. Can I have the Zoom Myntra hamper right now? So the hamper is already here. This is the wonderful hamper जिसके लिए आप खेलेंगे. And the game जो हम खेलने वाले हैं उसका नाम है धमाल.
Dhamal या Dhamal?
धमाल.
Total Dhamal. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So यहाँ पर है हमारे पास काफी सारा माल that you have already guessed. We have to flip it, and the one who flips the most points wins.
Oh,
Very
God.
simple. है ना?
Very, very simple.
पैसा.
अच्छा
ये
फेंकना नहीं है, फ्लिप करना है.
Flip
कहाँ
करना
से
है.
कितने दूर से करना है?
इधर से आप
यहीं से.
हाँ
चलो भाई जल्दी करो, क्योंकि दूसरे इंटरव्यूज भी करने हैं हम लोग को.
अरे क्या ये तो
ये तो प्रोफेशनल लग रहे हैं मुझे.
I can't even see who's cheating, who's not cheating.
अरे वैसे फ्लिप करना है, तू ऐसे फेंक क्यों नहीं है?
Flip किया भैया.
Flip.
ये फ्लिप नहीं करी, तू तो ऐसे फेंक रही है. ऐसे
Who's cheating? That was cheating. That was
No,
cheating.
why
That was
cheating?
cheating. एक एक करके. Flip.
देख मैंने हर चीज फ्लिप किया है, देख ले लो.
Flip.
I'm flipping, yeah.
I like.
Why do you always think others are cheating?
Anil sir is flipping from here.
You are flipping from there. No.
No. You looking at me? What Anil sir is he's doing?
I'm looking at everybody.
Yeah, that's not right, na.
I'm not a good flipper.
You're the only one who's not cheating. No cheaters.
See, the idea is if you flip from here like this
हाँ.
and
नहीं
not
थोड़ा
reach.
पास से कर लो.
Bounced off. Anil has finished all the coins, they're all inside. And he's
give you
telling me,
points.
you're not flipping anymore, Anil.
I'll give you points.
ये देख ना.
No.
What?
See?
See that?
Okay, game's over.
So, क्या हुआ? You've not been fair to me.
Yes, I can see that. I'm not fair. So we have only two contenders left, and I don't even have to count. We have a serial flipper here. Like, I don't know what to say. So you are the clear winner. Let's give him a big round. And there you go.
And there's not one coin which I didn't flip.
Yeah.
You did. You were the only one who played fair, and
Thank you.
there we go.
Total Dhamal.
Total Dhamal. And Total Dhamal has happened to you. And please, sir, अब इसके बाद आप मत बोलिएगा कि मेरे को attention नहीं मिलता. You take
ये मैंने attention मिला नहीं, मैंने लिया.
Yeah. See,
छीन लिया.
अपने हक का लेना पड़ता है. It's very nice.
Thank you.
But thank you so much, guys. I had a lot of fun. I hope you can say
yes,
the same
thank you
about
so
me.
much. You're
Yes,
wonderful.
thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you
Yes,
so
and
much.
all the best for Total Dhamal. एक छोटे से break के बाद Sakshma will be right back. This is me, Gunjan, saying bye for now. Anil Kapoor was seen in a classic black suit. He cooked up the look with beige and black sneakers. Get the similar look on Myntra. Ritesh Deshmukh was seen layering a grey denim shirt with a black tee and a ripped blue denim. He completed the look with simple black slip-ons. Get the similar look on Myntra. Madhuri Dixit was seen wearing a chic polka dot dress with a black belt around her waist. She kept the look simple with black heels and golden hoops. Get the similar look on Myntra. I'm wearing a denim maxi paired with white sneakers and basic accessories. Log on to the Zoom store on Myntra and shop for this look.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू जूम वीकेंड शो। इस हफ्ते की बॉलीवुड रिलीज है इंद्र कुमार की टोटल धमाल, स्टारिंग अनिल कपूर, माधुरी दीक्षित, अजय देवगन, संजय मिश्रा, बमन ईरानी, रितेश देशमुख, अरशद वारसी एंड जावेद जाफरी इन पिवटल रोल्स। पिछली दोनों फिल्मों धमाल और डबल धमाल की तरह इसमें भी एक बार फिर एक मरता हुआ आदमी ये राज बताकर जाता है कि दूर एक शहर में एक जू में एक बहुत बड़े ओके साइन के नीचे 50 करोड़ रुपए छुपे हुए हैं। ये मौका प्रस्त लोग रेस में लग जाते हैं कि जो पहले पहुंचेगा पैसे उसके। कॉमेडी वाइज मूवी में जेन्युइनली काफ़ी फनी मोमेंट्स हैं, गैग्स हैं और पंच लाइन्स हैं जिन पर आपको हंसी आएगी। क्लीन ह्यूमर, नो अडल्ट कॉमेडी। 90% मूवी में हैवी विजुअल इफेक्ट्स और कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया है, जो इतना बुरा भी नहीं है फॉर इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स, बट इट्स स्टिल नॉट अप टू द मार्क। परफॉर्मेंस वाइज सब ने थोड़ी बहुत ओवर एक्टिंग की है, पर ऐसी फिल्मों में ये स्क्रिप्ट की ही डिमांड होती है, सो आई लेट दैट गो। अरशद वारसी और जावेद जाफरी की आदि मानव केमिस्ट्री में कुछ भी नया नहीं है इस बार। अनिल कपूर और माधुरी दीक्षित वही यूजुअल बॉलीवुड फिल्मों वाले शादीशुदा लड़ने झगड़ने वाले कपल हैं। अगर किसी ने सच में एंटरटेन किया है तो वह है अजय देवगन, संजय मिश्रा और जॉनी लीवर, who are probably the only reasons that you need to watch this film. The plot being repetitive and the comedy being very childish, it's hard to be very impressed with the whole film. Overall, entertainment-wise film की comedy थोड़ी weak है और कोई भी एक ही plot को बार बार देखना पसंद नहीं करेगा, even अगर उसके gags और punches fresh हो। मैं टोटल धमाल को 2.5 stars दे रही हूँ and I would personally not really recommend it to anybody. चलिए, it's time to say goodbye to you all. Make sure you take very good care of yourself and keep watching Zoom.